Jackie started making treats for her own dog that had various allergies and skin issues. Noticing how much he enjoyed them and how much he improved when he started eating them, she decided to start her own business, the Dog Bone LLC. She currently has 3 Labrador taste testers. The treats all have the ingredients clearly labeled and are gluten, grain, and preservative free. She also makes treat bags with carabiner hooks, leashes made from paracord, and paw wax. Paw wax is also a great item for protecting your pup's paws from snow and ice during winter from all the salt humans throw down. It'll help keep their paws from getting cracked and dry. Jackie also makes hoodies, shirts, plush blankets with dog-related designs. Visit us at the Crafty Toolbox, 930 Old County Road, Meriden, Connecticut. Come on down and find that unique gift.